Spit on my 2008 BMW 335 N54 big turbo, green, $5 grand.
It's not green, it's teal. Okay.
When did you get this?
Wow.
Well, I've had this.
You fooled me.
How much you put into mods on this puppy?
I lost track a while ago, but since we've had it, we've put some small upgrades in it, I would say, like just a wrap, you know, some body items, nothing serious. And if you know anything about 335s, you know the reason this car was so cheap was because of how reliable they are.
Yeah, right. Reliable BMW.
Okay. All right. Thanks.
Get it back. I'll take it back.
Thanks.
You like it?
Oh, I love it. This thing has been nothing but problems for me. And it's, I'm so glad we're taking on this road trip. I cannot think of a better car to go on a crazy mountain road trip with. So this is gonna be so much fun. So as far as like the car goes, you can see it's a coupe. We've got some, a nice wrap on it. We've got some extremely luxurious, timeless interior. This thing is just truly a clapped out Beamer. There's no other questions about it. And if you cannot see, it was obviously like it's totally rebuilt title. It's got some cheap M3 fenders on it. It's got a corny wrap. You got like fake carbon fiber all over the place and fake M3 diffuser. This thing is just,
This thing sucks, bro.
yeah, there's a reason it was $5,400. Like,
Your car's shit.
what?
Yeah.
No, man, this thing is a timepiece. Just look at it.
Wait till you see my Japanese rocket.
Is that a Suzuki?
Well, you might have been hard to guess.
This is definitely a Japanese touch, I'd say we have here. We got an aftermarket front lip on here. Oh, what the fuck, man?
What kind of lip is that?
eBay.
I like that.
The spitting's getting out of hand here.
I'm so.
I've never been spit on so much in my life. Anyways, I think the coolest thing about this car is the sheer like size of it or lack of size.
Yeah, it's so tiny.
You open the cockpit and it literally is like a go-kart that you can drive on the street.
Look at that wheel. Ford Fiesta.
on the fucking
What? Dude, he just told us he polished his new car. You just spit all over it.
You spit on my car?
I couldn't help it, dude. You didn't tell me you got a Ford Fiesta.
You like it?
Yeah. Wow.
Come around, I'll show you what we got. We got some beautiful Recaro seats here. Best seats I've ever had. We got my bed in here. It's where we're gonna be sleeping. This is where the...
Wait, you're sleeping in your car?
I might.
What?
Well, we'll see.
He's safe from the grizzly bears.
That's cheating.
That's definitely cheating.
You ready, Jerry? Oh God, I don't know how good my throwing skills are. Oh, nice. Hey, Jared, you know the gas pedal's on the right side, eh?
Yeah, why are you going so slow? The dot. We were doing 100.
You got that thing locked in eco mode?
I think it's maybe your tires are smaller than...
You want tickets either, right?
Yeah.
Tickets aren't good.
Faster than 100.
Jay Wills, you looking to get a ticket?
No. But would you cruise at 120 though? It's like 4,000 RPM.
Got into our first Airbnb in a major city. Happy as can be.
All right, we got the electric boards out. First stop of the trip, Jay Willis, Puckett Media, and we're on the electric skateboard. So let's give it a go.
Some guy just tried to run Cam off the road and he smacked his mirror.
Like a bad boy. I'm gonna come in here, Cam.
I can see myself. Hi, Mom.
Hell yeah.
So we found this sick little twisty gravel area. Jared wants to send it in the Miata. So that's what we're gonna do.
Like,
feel, Jerry?
bro, that was so fun. I've been watching like non-stop rally videos of cars with like similar decal schemes, but like old Jettas and Golfs, just ripping grally.
Yeah.
And I've wanted to do something just like this. Like this was literally meant for me to hit right now.
Anyways, we're gonna go shred some of these crazy mountain roads with the most unreliable BMW ever made.
We lost Jerry. Definitely taking it easy because I do not know these roads, but oh my god, this is insane. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Hopefully it's easy as I remember it is.
What? Are you kidding me? We're both bidding in that?
You, man. That's what we'll be waking up right there. Can't be serious. There's gonna be a trout right around there. I'm gonna pull that puppy in and just freaking fillet it.
You my pancakes in your sausage. How are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. Woke up here and I was like, wow, it's probably gonna be a horrible day today. And I was like, let's do it.
Is that really what you thought?
No.
So we were about to do a car swap. Jared is gonna drive the 335.
Yep.
Jamin let me drive his Fiesta ST, and this thing handles literally like a go-kart. It's not even comparable. Jamin drove the 335 and he said it was Sarissal? What's that word you use? Visceral, right. All right, and Jared's gonna let me drive his Miata. Let's jet. Oh God. This thing is literally like a go-kart. Rubber ducky, do you copy?
Copy, 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 copy.
This is the most direct feeling car I've ever driven.
Alrighty. BMW 335i, big turbo. Originally all-wheel drive, but Cam has rear-wheel swapped this thing. What a rig. Cam, this thing is so fucking sick, man.
Say that again?
This thing is so fucking sick.
This thing is so sick.
I'm gonna pull over here. I have had my fun. I gotta get out of this thing. It's too intoxicating.
I think Jamin's full of shit. There was no best car. Since when was there a best car? But you know what? I'm not gonna lie. If anyone does have the best car, it's probably Jamin. Yeah, he's right. He slept in his car. It handles amazing. It's turbocharged. It gets banging fuel economy. Like, it stops on a fucking dime. And honestly, I think he got the best deal too.
Really
good.
Like, you got the best deal.
He's just like a fucking all-in-one package. Like, you know when you eat like it's like a deluxe pizza. It's got everything you could ever need on it.
I
right?
love deluxe pizzas.
Yeah, man. Deluxe.
I think if I had to choose a car to take on the road trip, I wouldn't have chose anything but my Miata. This thing has done so
What a
good.
selfish bastard. That's so selfish.
Yeah, no.
What if you had the option to get a Fiesta ST?
No, I'd still take the Miata. Oh, dude, this thing has been.
What if you had the
A
option
dream.
to get a GT3 RS?
Yeah, I would take
Okay,
that.
he'd take the GT3
Yeah.
RS. I'm not gonna lie, I really think the Miata is it is the best handling car here. There's no doubt about it.
Oh yeah, it's crazy. You look at this small little body. You look at that camber.